area. Ready, everyone? Yes. So now, as I asked, what we are supposed to. Okay, suppose this is the path what I was talking about. Okay, and you were cycling around this path, and you need to find the total distance what you have covered while you were cycling. Correct. So how you are going to figure it out? So when you were cycling, so how you were cycling over there? So when you were cycling, first you have covered this side. Correct. Then you move here and you cover this side. Then you move to over here and you cover this side, and then you cover this side. Correct? So simply what you are doing, you are covering each and every side of this particular part. So for finding the total distance, like how much distance you have covered, you will just add all the sides. Correct? For that, you will find the sum of all sides. Correct? And from this, you will be getting the total distance. Yes, everybody, you will be getting the total distance what you have covered. And how you are finding the total distance? By adding all the sides. Okay. And this total distance in the language of mathematics is known as perimeter. Understood, everybody? What is perimeter? Okay. So a perimeter word is itself derived from the Greek word which is perimetron. A peri means around and metron means measure. So when we are measuring the sides of around something, like around of any field, any boundary, whatever it is, that is known as perimeter. Okay. And simply we need to find out like what is perimeter. So perimeter is nothing. Perimeter is just a total distance around something. Okay. Perimeter is a total distance, or what we can say, perimeter is boundary of certain figures. Okay, whatever the figure is, if we need to find out the boundary, if we need to figure out about the boundary, that is what? That is perimeter. Understood, everybody? Yes. And since we are talking about mathematics, so in mathematics, we are having a lot of figure. Correct, everyone? We are having a 3-side figure, 4-side figure, 5-side figure, 6-side figure. We are having a lot of figure over there. Correct? Now, if I'm asking, what is the name of this figure?
Triangle.
Triangle. And if in this triangle, all the sides are of equal measure, which is A, then what is the name of this particular triangle? If all the sides are equal.
Triangle.
Very good, Anugya. Very good. This is equilateral triangle. Correct? Now, since we already know the perimeter is sum of all the sides. So, what is the perimeter of this equilateral triangle? Yes. I'm waiting. Suman, Kirti.
Ma'am, 3A.
3A. Very nice. 3A, or what we can say, 3 times side. Correct, everyone? Yes. Now, this time I am having another figure, which is this. Okay. Now, just tell me the name of this figure.
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Now, tell me what is the property of rectangle? Opposite sides are equal. Correct. If this side is L, then this side is also gonna be L. If this side is B, this side is also gonna be B. Now tell me what is the perimeter of rectangle. How can we figure it out?
From 2 length plus 3 breadth.
Correct. And how we are finding it? Since the perimeter is, perimeter is sum of all sides, so we will do L plus B plus L plus B. Now we have what? We have 2L. Yes.
2 into L plus breadth.
2 breadth. And from this, we will take 2 as a common, and what is left? L plus B. So perimeter of rectangle is 2 times the sum of length and breadth. Yes, very nice, very good. Now I am having another figure. Tell me the name. Very nice. And what is the property of a square?
Equal sides.
All sides are equal. Suppose the side is A. Then what is the perimeter? Yeah, what is the perimeter of this square? 4A. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Now just tell me, you can see this figure over here, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me how many sides are here?
6.
6. And can you see one thing over here? There is one special thing about this figure. Just
Ma'am,
tell
this
me.
is a hexagon.
Yeah, this is a hexagon. Now, which type of hexagon it is?
Ma'am, six-sided.
Now, hexagon is of 6 sides only.
Ma'am, of
That's
3
why it is
centimeters.
hexagon.
Each side is 3 centimeters.
Yeah, each side is 3 centimeter, which means in this hexagon, all sides are equal, correct?
Yes,
When in
ma'am.
hexagon, all sides are equal, then what is the name of that hexagon? Do you know?
No.
Okay, so when in pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, all sides are equal, then we are putting one word before the name of the figure, which is regular. Okay, so the name of this particular hexagon will be regular hexagon. What? Regular hexagon. So can you tell me the perimeter of this regular hexagon?
6 plus.
Ma'am, why 6? Why
3
6?
into 6.
Ma'am, 80.
18. And how we are going to figure it out?
3 into 6.
Very nice. Very nice, everybody. Very good. Oh, only 18, or we are supposed to put unit as well?
Centimeter.
Centimeter. Correct. Since we are learning about area and perimeter, so units plays a very important role over here. Correct? We cannot forget. Okay, now let's go with this. Okay, Rihanna, just tell me what is the perimeter of this. Just tell me what is the perimeter.
Ma'am, should I tell?
Yes, who?
Ma'am, Vivan.
Yeah, go ahead. Tell me.
Ma'am, 22 centimeter.
22 centimeter. Very nice. Correct. Okay, now let's go with the third one, which is the star, what we have. And Advin, just tell me what should be the perimeter of this particular figure.
Ma'am, should I tell?
Just hold on. You are calculating it. Yes, go ahead. Tell me.
Ma'am, 30. 30 centimeter.
Are you sure it has to be 30? Just calculate it again.
Ma'am, can I tell the 28 centimeter, ma'am?
Ma'am, 28.
Yeah, it is 28 centimeter. Got it, everybody? Understood? Anybody is having any confusion in perimeter? No? Okay, now we are moving towards the next topic. Okay, suppose this is the park, what I have. Okay, this is the park, what I have. Now what I'm going to do, the second one, what you can see over there on your screen. Okay, that is the park. Now I am supposed to find out like how many tiles I can put over here, or what the length of the carpet I should put over here. So what I'm supposed to find?
Area.
Area. Very nice. Okay, so the next topic what we are going to have is area. Got it, everybody? So what is area? So area is the amount of space that is occupied by any shape. Any shape, if we are going to figure it out about that, so that is what that is area. Understood, everyone?
To find area of a figure like a square, we multiply side into side, and to find of a rectangle, we multiply end into b.
Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Okay, this is the yes, absolutely correct what you are saying. Okay, so now you know what is area. Okay, area is the amount of the space that is occupied by any surface. Okay, that is what that is area. Now, so for finding the area, what we are supposed to do, we need to multiply length with breadth. Whatever the length is, we need to multiply it with breadth. Okay, that is known as what? That is known as area. Got it? Now you can see the first figure over here, where the length is 9, the breadth is 4.
Ma'am, 36 centimeter.
36 centimeter what?
Ma'am, is the area of figure.
36 centimeter square. Okay, we are not supposed to write only 36. We need to write 36 centimeter square over there.
Ma'am, 36 centimeter square.
Yes. Okay. Now let's move towards the second one.
35 centimeter square.
Very nice. And what is the area of the third one?
20 centimeter square.
Very good. And what is the area of the fourth one? Yes, Aparajita, tell me.
Should I tell?
Yes, Aparajita.
Ma'am,
Everybody, you can do it. You can do it. I will ask.
Ma'am, 25 centimeters square.
Is it, are you sure that it has to be 25?
Ma'am, 19 centimeters square.
Ma'am, 25 centimeters square.
Ma'am, 24
Ma'am,
centimeters
25.
square. Ma'am, 19 centimeters square.
No, it's 25 centimeters
Ma'am,
square. That is the
25.
correct answer. Okay, 25 centimeters square. That would be the correct answer. Got it, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now what we know, what we have learned from this, we have learned about the formulas of area and perimeter. We have learned about the formula of area of a square, which is side times side. Okay. And what is the perimeter of the square, which is 4 times side. Yes, everybody. We have learned about rectangle, the area of rectangle, which is length times width, and the perimeter of rectangle, which is 2 times length plus breadth. Okay. After that, we have learned about the area of equilateral triangle, not area. We have learned about only perimeter. Okay. Rest of the things we will learn in the higher grades or in our regular classes. Okay, everybody. So now we are having the few of the questions, what we are going to do on the basis of that. Okay. Before that, I just want to ask one thing from you. Okay. Just tell me, if the area of the square is, okay, if the side of the square is 1 centimeter, okay, what is the area of that particular square?
1 centimeter square.
1 centimeter square. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to double the side. If I'm going to double the side, then the side would be
2. 2.
2. Now the area will be what?
4 centimeters square.
4 centimeters square. So now just tell me what is the effect. Okay, if first when the side is 1 centimeter, the area becomes 1. Okay,
1.
when the side becomes
1.
2, the area becomes 4.
4.
Correct? So
Yes, ma'am.
by how many times the area has increased?
4 times.
Ma'am, 3. 4 times.
4 times. Okay, so the same thing we are going to do in this question. Okay, so this was the question. If the side of the square is double, then the perimeter or the new perimeter is dash times the original perimeter.
Double.
That is gonna be
Double. 2.
okay. If the side we are going to take as 1 centimeter, then the perimeter would be what?
Ma'am, 4.
4 times 1, that is 4 centimeters. Correct?
4 centimeters.
Now, if the side is gonna be double, so side becomes 1 times 2, that is 2 centimeter. Okay. And perimeter becomes what?
8.
4 times 2, which is 8 centimeters.
8
So it
centimeters.
becomes twice, which is 2 times. Got it, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now your next question is the rectangular piece of land measures 2 meter by 3 meter. Okay. One rectangular piece is there. Okay. Whose measure is 2 meter by 3 meter. Okay, each side is to be fenced with the 3 rows of wire, which means we are supposed to put 3 rows of wire around each of its side. Like this. Okay, so how much wire we will use over there?
Ma'am, 30 meter.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am. 10 meter.
Okay, how we are going to figure it out? Just tell me. For that, what we need to do?
Ma'am, 10 meter.
Okay, tell me how.
Ma'am, 30 meter because if we
Ma'am, 30.
take out one round of the wire, so it will be 10, and if there is 3 rows of wire, so it will be 30.
Very good, Anugya. So whenever the fence word is there, okay, we are supposed to find the perimeter. Okay, so first we will figure out the perimeter of this figure. That is gonna be 2 times 3 plus 2. Okay, because the perimeter of rectangle is 2 times length plus breadth. So 2 times 3 plus 2 is gonna be 5, and 2 times 5 is gonna be 10 meters. Okay, so that would be the perimeter. Now we are using 3 rows of wire. So for that, we are supposed to multiply 10 by 3 to find the total length of wire, which we are getting is 30 meters. Okay. So our answer has to be 30 meters. Very good, Anugya. Now the next question is the length of the given rectangular field is decreased by 7 meters. Okay. Just tell me what is the length of this field? What is the length, everybody?
Ma'am, length is 56.
56. Okay. And what is the breadth?
42.
42. Okay. Length is 56 and the breadth is 42. Got it, everybody? Now, according to the question, we are decreasing the length by 7 meters. So now the length becomes what?
49.
49 meters. Correct? Length becomes 49 meters. Now just tell me, if we are not going to reduce the length and breadth would remain same, then what is the area? If they are same as 56 and 42, then what would be the area?
Ma'am, 64.
No. 56 times 42. What we are getting? Do it, everybody.
Two, 3, 5, 2.
What
Ma'am,
we are
2,
getting?
Ma'am, 2, 3, 5, 2 centimeters.
Meter square. Correct. Now if we are going to reduce the length and now the new length becomes 49. Okay. And the breadth is same only, which is 42. Then what is the area?
Ma'am, 2058.
Correct.
Ma'am, 2058 centimeter square.
Okay. So, okay, that is the one thing. Now, if the question is same, if the length is going to be reduced by 7 meter, the length becomes 49 meter and the area is same as the previous one. Okay, area remains same only, which is 2342. Okay, so what would be the new breadth? If area remains same only, okay, and the length becomes 49, then what will be the breadth? How to figure out the breadth? We will do area divided by length. Okay, then what we are getting is the value of breadth? We are getting 48 meters.
Ma'am, 48 meters.
Yes, that would be the length of, that would be the measurement of the breadth. Understood, everyone? Now the next question is, a figure is formed by putting two squares, one on the top. Okay, one square is this and another square we are putting on the head of this particular square. Correct? And the length of both the squares is 8 centimeter. Okay, which means this is 8, this is 8, this is 8, this one is also 8, this one is also 8, and this one is also 8. Okay. Then the perimeter of the figure formed is, what is the perimeter of this particular figure? Tell me.
48.
48 meters.
48 centimeters, because we are supposed to add the boundaries only. Okay, when we are adding the boundaries, we are getting 48. Okay, because the length becomes 16 and the breadth becomes 8, and when we are going to solve it, we are getting 48. Very good, everybody. Now, anybody is having any confusion? Any doubt? Anyone?